Hello students, I am Udesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the first chapter of economics of class ninth. The title of the chapter is The Story of Village Palampur. The story of village Palampur is a narrative story based on a research study by Gilbert Etienne of a village in Bulandshahr district in western Uttar Pradesh. The purpose of the story is to introduce some basic concepts relating to production. Farming is the main production activity in a hypothetical village named Palampur. Other production activities like dairy farming, manufacturing, transportation, and shopkeeping are practiced on a limited scale. These production activities need various types of resources like natural resources, man made items, human effort, money, etc. Palampur is having well developed road. It connects Palampur to a bigger village, Raiganj, and other nearest small town called Sahpur. Out of the 450 families living in Palampur, about 80 upper caste families own the majority of land and have large and well constructed permanent houses. The SCs in the village comprise about one third of the population and are landless laborers. They live in one corner of the village in smaller houses, some of which are poorly constructed with mud and straw. Many houses in Palampur have electric connections. Electricity powers all the tube wells, small scale manufacturing, and other business unit in Palampur. It has two primary schools and one high school. It also has a government primary health center and a private dispensary. It seems that Palampur has fairly well developed systems of roads, transport, electricity, irrigation, the schools, and health facilities. Similarly, all the Indian villages have farming as their main production activity and similar non farm activity. Organization of production. Production is an activity which gives the required goods and services. This requires four elements which are called factors of production. Production is an activity which gives the required goods and services. This requires four elements which are called factors of production. First, land, second, labor, third, physical capital, and fourth, human capital. It means there are four main factors of production. First, land. Land and other natural resources like water, mineral, forest, etc. Second, labor. Labor for carrying out the production activities. It may be manual workers, or highly skilled or educated persons. Third, physical capital. It includes two components. First, fixed capital, and second, working capital. It means physical capital includes two subcomponents. First, fixed capital, second, working capital. First, fixed capital. Assets or capital investments that are needed to start production of goods and services. Next, working capital. Raw material and money in hand are used at the time of production activities to purchase raw material and services required and to sell finished goods. And fourth is human capital. Human capital is the knowledge and enterprise. It is required to put together all the above inputs to produce the output. In the next video, we will discuss about farming in Palampur. Land is fixed, ways to grow more from the same land, etc.